Leadership and socio-technical balance. Socio-technical leadership balance is an indicator of the proportion in which human behavior is directed by social aspects, relative to being directed by technical aspects. In many workplaces, people act and interact with each other and with technology. People can act in response to information from technology in various ways, such as by reading gauges, dials or color-coded lights on machines, via a computer's user interface, or by using a search engine or consulting an encyclopedia on the internet. Not everyone responds the same to messages given by technology. When a fire alarm goes off, some wonder what goes on, and look for social clues. If they see people heading for fire escapes, they join them. Social conformity. Others ask their boss, position power, or someone who might know more than they do, information or expert power, what to do, yet others left the building immediately when the fire alarm went off. The first two groups were led by social aspects and the latter group by technology. In organizational processes, tools or equipment is all that is used, without being fully consumed as input. Such tools or equipment can be referred to as applied technology. In the elementary model of organizational processes, EMOP, the variable structure consists of the components leadership and applied technology. The relationship between leadership and applied technology, LAT-ratio, is an indicator of socio-technical leadership balance. The LAT-ratio indicates to what extent organization members rely on leadership for direction, confidence and support, versus the extent to which they rely on applied technology for those same aspects. The LAT-ratio is an important indicator for evaluating variables such as leadership dependence, work group autonomy and the functioning of self-directing teams. Organization scans based on EMOP usually include the LAT-ratio in the collected business information. The LAT-ratio is the ratio between the correlation coefficient of structure and leadership versus the correlation coefficient of structure and applied technology. The LAT-ratio is usually noted in percentages, such as 52:48, where the value left of the colon represents leadership and the value right of the colon represents applied technology. For example, suppose that the correlation coefficient of structure and leadership equals 0,704, the correlation coefficient of structure and applied technology equals 0,822. Then the LAT-ratio equals 0,704, 0,822, or 46:1, 53:9, rounded, 46:54. In this example, members of the population that provided this data tend to rely more on applied technology for direction, confidence and support than they do on leadership. In other words, they tend to have more group autonomy and are likely to function better in self-directing teams than a population having a LAT-ratio of, for instance, 51:49.